You ever feel like you're getting ready to succeed, but in reality, you're just stuck? You're watching videos, reading guides, researching every little detail, but somehow nothing actually happens. Guess what? Most dreams don't die from failure. They die from never starting. The trap of endless preparation, we tell ourselves, just one more tutorial, one more strategy, then I'll start. Spoiler alert, that moment never comes. Because learning feels productive, but it's not. Watching others succeed won't make you successful. There's no perfect method, because success isn't about knowing, it's about doing. And the longer you wait, the harder it gets to start. Why starting feels impossible. You finally take action, and boom, your first attempt. Your work looks bad. No likes, no applause, just silence. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Wrong. This is what success looks like at the start. Nobody starts as an expert. Nobody skips the bad phase. The difference between success and failure? Some people stop, others keep going. The way out, action over perfection. So here's the secret. There's no shortcut, no perfect time. The only rule? Start before you're ready. Your first attempt? Garbage. That's normal. No instant results? Keep going. That's expected. Doubt creeping in? Outwork it. That's the game. The more you do, the better you get. The faster you start, the faster you grow. The only way forward? Take action. The secret no one tells you. Success isn't about winning on the first try. Success happens through failure. Final challenge. Will you start? Right now, you have two choices. Option 1, close this video and do what you always do. Watch more content. Option 2, make something today, even if it's bad. Embrace the grind, because no one applauds the rehearsal. Stay consistent, because success comes to those who outlast doubt. The only real failure? Never starting. Comment done when you take action.
A special thank you from the heart.